Ancho coffee ribeye using our own private rub. Really nice, easy to grill on with this beautiful steak. So I make a fresh pineapple salad with sweet onions, parsley, blue cheese, squeeze lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. It's nice summer dish, easy to make at home. The pineapples are grilled, uh, so it's the most easy part of this dish is just grilling the steak about 10 minutes in each side. That's always I recommend to check the temperatures of the internal temperature of the steak. 125, 130 is a perfect meat-ready steak. Before you cut it, let it rest the meat. That's one of the tips always to get the best flavor of the steak. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. Be sure to go and stop by and Reid and get all your groceries and your meats and fresh produce and all your prepared meals. You can make all these ingredients. You can shop all these ingredients in our stores. We're happy to have you. And if you need any advice, we are here to help you.